car accident, hailstorm, or you just bump into somebody's bumper. Who pays the bill? That depends on the type of auto coverage you have. Hey, I'm Matthew from Insurance Q&A, and today we lines break down the three main types of auto insurance coverage you need to know: liability, collision, and comprehensive. Understanding these can literally save you thousands. First, liability coverage. This is the coverage required by law in most states. It pays for damage or injuries you cause to others in an accident, but not for your own car. Next, collision coverage. This one pays to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in a crash, whether it's your fault or not. And then there's comprehensive coverage. This protects your car against non-collision events like theft, fire, vandalism, falling trees, even natural disasters. Here's the challenge. Many drivers think liability alone is enough. But if your car is stolen, vandalized, or wrecked in an accident you caused, liability won't pay a dime for your own losses. That's why collision and comprehensive are so important, especially if your car is new, valuable, or financed. They make sure you're not stuck with a massive bill after the unexpected happens. So the big picture: liability protects others, collision protects your car in accidents, and comprehensive protects your car from everything else. Together, they give you peace of mind on and off the road. In short, liability is required, collision and comprehensive are optional, but smart. Having all three can be the difference between financial disaster and full protection. Want more quick answers to insurance questions that actually matter? Subscribe to Insurance Q&A and stay covered the smart way.